Hello friends, this is a part of gold forecast video. So basically in this particular video we are trying to understand where exactly we are in terms of the gold is concerned. So ever since we made a high of $3,500 on 22nd of April 2025, uh, gold has been moving in a corrective manner, and it has been moving sideways ever since this leg of A has been completed. So if we were to call this particular style, we will be calling this as ABC correction, something like this. So we have completed A, we have completed B, and we are currently going towards the C wave of this particular correction that is taking place. So if you were to look at it, this A wave has corrected in a fashion of ABC. It was very clearly evident on the charts that we had three legs on the downside for the A wave. Then we had five legs for the B wave. So it was like holding perfectly on the five-way pattern. So something of this sort was the B. Currently, we are in C. And in C, I'm expecting a correction wave of ABC once again, something like this. And so A is complete. B, we still have around 1 week, 3 or 4 days left for the B to complete. Then we will have towards C, which will usually break this particular low of the previous low of A, that is around 3120. So I'm expecting this to be completed, this entire B and CB to be completed in around 45 days from here on. This is my first preference for this particular current outlook. And knowing where exactly we stand is always useful. The reason is like in this corrective wave of ABC, you will understand that especially after this particular trade by 15th of May, after 15th of May, you can see your statement like wherever you trade, you will understand that most of the technical parameters, whichever you are following, will always give you a stop hit many a times. The reason is like we are in a corrective fashion, still not complete. This pattern doesn't look complete. So basically, when we know that the market is consolidating or correcting, we are always used to go for very low volumes in the trades, or usually we stay away from the market if we do not have the deep pockets. So the reason is very simple that it is when the market is trending perfectly on the upside or the downside, it is where the money is made. So knowing when the correction is taking place, when the consolidation is taking place, is always quite useful when to stay away from the market. So basically, current structure seems that the correction is still in place, and there are possibilities that this particular correction is completed here itself, and we have started the new leg up. But the volumes do not suggest that this is a starting of a new leg upside. This is also looking like the volumes are suggesting a part of a complex correction that are taking place in the market. Having said that, we will be watching out for 3438 on the upside. Once we get a 2 day close above 3438, then we can call this particular correction is over here itself. And this is a new leg on the upside. So I'm watching out for 3438 on the upside for 2 day closing. And once we take out 3438, then the possibility of resumption of this particular bull market is on the higher side. On the other hand, we are looking out for a minimum correction to be in place around the 3180. So this leg has to go and touch 3180 to complete. And the pattern still doesn't look complete. We are still in the midway of this particular correction of ABC at least. So we are looking out for around 45 days of consolidation and correction towards 3190, 3120 minimum. This is the outlook as of now. And if we are taking out 3438, then we will keep you updated But most likely the pattern looks as if the correction is still not complete. Wait on the sidelines because it's easy to lose money when the markets are moving sideways. Conserve the capital, preserve the capital for a very good ride that will be upcoming once this correction is done, rather than jump in and jump out of the market. It seems uh, you will be losing more in this phase of consolidation and correction rather than making money. But if you have deep pockets, yes, definitely, yes, you will keep seeing the rates again and again and again. So if you have deep pockets, then you can hold on to the positions that you're taking, because you market will definitely give a lot of opportunities at the same rate again and again in this phase. So having said that, this is my outlook that stands as on 20th of July 2025. I'm looking out for one more leg downside towards 3180 3120. That will be completed in next 40 45 days from here on. If we take out 3438 on the upside on a 2 day closing basis, then we will reassess where we stand. And most likely, if we take out 3438 for the 2 day continuous, then we are most likely to resume this particular rally on the upside for lifetime highs. So this is it for this particular day. Thank you so much for staying connected, and we'll update as it unfolds from here on. Thank you so much.